Hi there, Kazi here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to insert a cover page in Microsoft Word document. It's quite simple thing to do, so let's get started. First of all, you need to move your cursor on the left upper side into the insert option so that you can click on it, and then from here you will probably see this cover page option, so you need to tap on that, and after that you will see different styles of the cover page here, and also you can find more cover page like into the more cover page from office.com. Rather than that, I'm going with this one, I think. So you can simply select that and the cover page will be added. So after selecting that, you can simply edit these, like you can rename the document subtitle and this title, and as well as the email address if you want. So hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like, and I will catch you guys in the next one.